Everyone, welcome to my channel. Menopause isn't for pussies. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my 5-step routine that I've been using to combat crepey skin on my arms. At almost 60 years of age, just a couple of months shy of 60, I've really noticed in the last couple of years that all my muscle mass was gone. Obviously collagen, elastin, all that good stuff that happens when we go through menopause, right? And it gets depressing. And actually, you can see my arms here just a couple of months ago. One day I just said, that's it, I'm done. I started using the power of visualization, and the only thing I could see was wearing sleeveless tops, tank tops, etc., and being a strong, fit, toned, young 60-year-old woman. I want to be able to like ride bikes with my granddaughter and all of that good stuff, and I want to feel confident. So come along with me. I'm going to share with you the 5 steps that I've been using for my transformation. Are my arms perfect? Absolutely not. They are not of a 30-year-old. I'm not in the gym all the time. As a matter of fact, the steps I've been using, they're, you don't go to the gym, no BS, no fluff, all of that stuff. It's just like real budget friendly at home things that you can do. So come along with me. I want to mention that at the end of this video, stick around because I'm going to provide a link for you. And if you sign up for my newsletter, I'm going to send you this free e-guide. It's called Glow Rebel, and it has 50 beauty tips for 50 plus women that don't break the bank. Okay, so step 1 is that I do Carolyn Gervins. I hope I said her name correctly. I do her YouTube video every single day. It's free, it's short, and it's doable. So I started out with a 10-minute video, and here's Carolyn right here, and I'm once again going to put the link to her YouTube channel below for you. Started out with 10 minutes doing 5-pound weights because really that's all I could do. My arms were in like such terrible shape. And then, like 30 days later, I started moving up to the 15-minute workout video for arms. And I'm now graduated to 10 or 15-pound weights. And really, that's about all that I want to do. I don't really have a desire to be hitting the gym anymore like I did in my 20s or 30s. This is quick, it's doable, and it's all from home. So once again, check out Carolyn. She's amazing. And you might use a few cuss words when you're doing the video. Just a fair warning. Okay, so step number 2 is I scrub it out. What I do is I take my used coffee grounds in the morning, and I just do this once a week because it can be a bit messy. No, it is a bit messy, but nevertheless, it's so worth it. Okay, so I take my used coffee grounds, pour them in a bowl, such as here, as you can see, and I just pour a little olive oil in there, and I use that to exfoliate my skin, and it also does like a deep moisture on my skin as well. Coffee grounds are rich in antioxidants and caffeine, which helps stimulate blood flow and temporarily tighten and tone the skin. They're also known for helping reduce the appearance of cellulite by kind of like breaking down the deposits and improving the circulation of stubborn areas. So the olive oil, I mean, obviously it hydrates and softens and nourishes your skin, leaving it silky smooth and glowy. So step number 3 is I use this microcurrent device with conduit gel, of course, and I use it on my face, and I do it like 5 times a week. I'm, not like 100% with it, but 5 times a week, and I literally just do it like for 5 to 7 minutes a day. And I have noticed it's helped, and I have another video about that. But I thought if I could use it on my face and it actually, it tones, it can restore some collagen and some elasticity, why the heck am I not using it on my arms? So that's what I've been doing. And I've been doing it whenever I do my face. So let's say, pretty much 5 times a week, as you can see here. And I'm noticing an improvement. And I can't believe that I didn't think of it before. So yeah, check this out. If you have a microcurrent device, start using it on your arms. Always push up, right? Like you don't want to be pushing down. You want your skin going up, and just do that. And obviously you have your conduit gel, or even just a moisturizer. I always use a conduit gel on my face, but I have used just a really good moisturizer on my arms when I'm doing this. Check it out. You will see a noticeable difference. All right, so step 4 is feed your muscles. All right, so don't forget what you put in your body matters just as much as what you're doing on the outside. One of the biggest changes I made was prioritizing protein every single day. I focus on clean, nourishing options like fish, eggs. I make some homemade salmon patties, and I have obviously my daily protein shake with collagen powder. Collagen helps with skin elasticity and strength, while the protein supports the muscle underneath, aka the stuff that gives you your toned look. So, here's a rough guide for someone like, say, 165 pounds or whatever. You should aim for about 90 to 120 grams of protein per day. All right, so why it matters to get our protein. Muscle loss, okay? It starts creeping in around 40 to 50, and upping your protein can seriously preserve your strength and mobility. It boosts metabolic health and it helps regulate our blood sugar. The other thing it does, it supports wound healing and tissue repair. So, when we have, like, say, a little cut or a bruise, it actually speeds up the process for healing. And then also, when we are doing our workouts and, we're doing the muscle strain, etc., it helps to repair and build muscle. And let's not forget bone health. Protein plays a huge role in preventing osteoporosis. So whether it's eggs in the morning, salmon for lunch, or a smoothie in the afternoon, fuel your body, your skin, muscles, and energy levels are going to thank you, I promise. Okay, so step number 5 is I bought these bad boys. I feel like Wonder Woman right now. Um, remember she had the bracelets? Anyway, we'll get back to this video. Step number 5 is these 1-pound arm weights, and I just wear them like when I'm, doing laundry or cleaning, or sometimes I'm, on the computer working, whatever it is. When I'm just in the house, and I don't wear them all day, but I do like throw them on for a couple of hours. And believe it or not, it's just like building resistance with your arms. These are super, economical. I'm going to put the links for all the products in this video below anyway. So if you want to grab yourself some of these, the link will be there, or you can find them at your local Walmart, etc. But they have been really helpful, and you just don't notice it. So this is the last of my 5-step routine that I do. All right, so please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And I always love to hear your comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the 5-step routine that I'm using to rid myself of crepey skin on my arms. Until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your skin, and remember, menopause isn't for pussies.